More bloody lorries. More bloody tum-tum. Welcome to day 3, and I've just drove over the curb. And it wants us to go where?
That way.
Really?
Through the petrol station.
Oh, cool. I thought I was having nightmares we were going back along that haunted road again.
Not that way. This way. Petrol station, let's go.
Alright, welcome to day 3. We're on our way to Ebbsfleet International.
Yes. So, that's a petrol pump.
Yeah.
We just woken up about 10 minutes ago. Unleash the Wolverine when you get home. Maybe in 5 days. Is it? 5? Yeah.
Yeah, 7 days it will be.
5.
What?
5.
Yeah?
I think it's the third one.
Oh yeah, true.
So what's the place here?
We're on the M2 in Gillingham.
Yeah, so see you in that place my dad said.
We're on the M25.
Heading towards Grays.
Yeah, in Essex. And as you see from the overhead gantry, we're down to 20 miles an hour. Still people trying to cut it.
Stranded vehicles slow. 20 miles per hour.
Got to change lane.
Stranded vehicle. Right there.
We're heading anti-clockwise. That's of interest.
What was meant to be a 48-minute journey is turning into a
bloody long one.
probably hour and 20 minute. Look at our nice car in front. A Corvette. Yeah.
Just managed to get out into the right lane. I'll thank the blonde driver behind.
What the hell's happened?
I don't know what's happened. That could be, yeah, it's, looks like there's been a, what? There's been our bus has broke down, so the lorries have kind of blocked the route. The bus has kind of lost energy in the middle lane of the M25. I bet the bus driver said, well,
shit.
Oh yeah, and words to that effect.
Was that it?
Yeah, but they'll have variable speed limits.
What they've been saying is like, on the radio, oh, about an hour delay, was it?
Yeah, due to stranded. And we're coming up to Queen Dartford Crossing.
The toll?
Yeah.
Wait, look over there, let's see if this is a good zoom.
It's in 4 miles, I think the bridge is over there.
Can you see the queue on the bridge as well?
Yeah. Oh yeah, the bridge is coming. Well, I don't know.
Bloody hell, it's a queue.
This is where the queue is.
The rolling roadblock's not doing good, is it?
Get in the right lane because we're not coming down the 80.
Let's go back.
Ah, we've overtaken him in the end.
Who's in front?
French, German.
Yeah, not as bad as the French.
I'm saying nothing.
So about a mile later, still in the traffic jam.
It is really heavy. We're coming towards the Dartford crossing.
There's the bridge. There we go. Bridge.
See the traffic on the bridge? Wow.
There's two bridges, which one are you talking about? The one behind the lorry?
The impressive one, not the...
So the one behind the H.
Yeah.
Young transport?
Yeah.
Not much.
Would like to be stuck up there on the bridge.
And there you can see the toll roads. Or toll booths.
Dartford crossing goes under and over, but it always used to just be under the water.
Sainsbury's.
We should have free crossing.
Because my dad's disabled, so.
Yeah.
In the head.
I heard that.
What?
You
So
don't-
far it is 31 degrees.
Jesus. It'll be warmer under the water.
And we have 19 minutes left. This was meant... We were meant to be there by now.
We're meant to be on the platform chilling with a coffee and a cold beer. And that's
Oh, if I
just-
haven't told you, this is Bob or something. I haven't named him. I forgot to name him. Bob.
Okay.
Bob the Blob.
Oh, I thought that was my name.
Oh, sorry, that's copyrighted.
Bob the Blob's copyrighted.
Well, you know, Aliens... What's it?
Oh yeah, aliens and...
Versus Monsters or something like that. They have B.O.B. and it's a blob of goo. So I think it should be copyrighted. So it's basically Bob, and he's a blob, so Bob the Blob. Billy the Blob then. Hi Billy.
Billy Bob.
Billy Blob. This is amazing. So you don't want any change? I want change. I want you to change into an octopus. You'll move faster.
You think?
I don't think. So isn't there like a train line which goes under the bridge but above the water? On a bridge.
Possibly.
But I think there was. "19 minutes left. We're in this state, 40 hours left."
Yeah. Oh God. God.
So where are we going to sleep today?
Thurrock.
Which is back the other way?
Just over there.
You said it was over that way. So we have to go back over the bridge?
No.
Oh.
Over the river.
I used to,
Which one was it?
I don't know, but if you speed up I can see.
It was... Is that how?
What?
There's a bit of a disagreement going on over there. The van little van scarpered. The van that was I let on the motorway from the M26 is only just over there. He was darting in between traffic and everything.
TNS
London Construction.
Him. I got your registration now. Haha, he's on camera.
Oh,
Nice bridge.
Jaguar XK next to us.
There. And there. I bet you she's called Eve. That's a man. What? The registration said EVE, so it's Eve.
Yeah, well, like Christmas.
What?
Christmas Eve.
There's a bus.
Really? For all you bus
There's another bus.
fanatics.
Bus. What's this bus? What's this bus? There's the bus. Right, I'll do it for you, Wanda.
Double decker.
One bus. Where's the other bus?
Two bus.
There's the second bus.
And the Fagan and Wally. We're nearly there.
It was quicker on lane 7. Yeah, the straight bus there now.
Is he?
Why are you letting the pivot in front?
The pervert?
I thought it was called Peugeot Pivot.
He's an expert. There's another bus.
Bus. Both bikes.
After 200 meters, keep left.
I'm dead centre, and they want me to keep left. Yeah. There's Trot.
That's Trotter.
Ah, I can only see Trot from outside.
Hovis. This is taking a while.
It is, isn't it? 31 degrees still.
Regus.
Where?
There. Building.
Oh, right, okay. Regis.
Pink van. Partially pink van. Blue light.
Camper van.
Another lorry.
Tesco! You're
How do you still what's its name? Bethany Evie.
Really?
Yeah.
Look at the herpes lorry.
No, how do you still what? Tara.
Dunno.
Tara.
Ah, I thought you were saying goodbye.
No, how do you still what?
Oh, that's you bastard.
How do you still what? How do you still what? My still what? Where's my still what gone? Still what? Still what? It is
Blocked.
car. Oh, it was Carla.
Ah.
Oh, Carl.
They're all girls' names for Stowbat truck. Well, some people say Stowbat, some people say Stobber.
What about Poppy 50? They're all girls' names. What about Poppy 50?
Could be a girl called Poppy and she's 50. There's a Fiesta with identity issues.
What do you mean?
Oh, look at the exhaust pipe on it.
I'm looking.
It's big, man.
Oh,
they've closed number 9.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
Thank God we're in number 8 with change given. Yeah.
Yeah, there'll be a guy there.
How many times have we been through?
Oh, I've lost count.
70? 24? I'm thinking it's like 24. A lot longer than I'd think it was. Well, there's a Ferrari over there. They're small enough to just fit under the barrier. Wait, which one? 8, what? Are we 8?
Yeah.
We're number 8.
I'm just pre-registered.
Keep
What?
left.
You left.
Yeah, we're in front of the Audi. Let's fly. Hiya. Fly's still there.
You left.
No! The Audi come up. Oh. And under we go. That's bridge. Last second of the bridge.
We're now going under the River Thames.
This is the River Thames.
You pre-register your number with the people who own the bridge, and they have automatic number plate readers. So as soon as you pull up to the crossing, reads your number plate, barrier goes up.
Didn't you know that?
Ahead.
Oh yeah, because we used to have it on the Galaxy.
No, I'm just saying, didn't you know that? Because you stopped. The light went green, and then you
You know, the
just
guy who stood there for his money. I'm just saying pre-registered.
He said, okay, you're still green. God, you have to do slow, don't you?
Right, we're right under the Thames now. Heading out to the North Sea. Someone drill a hole in there, it's 33 degrees.
Still.
Oh, it's gone up 2 degrees, going underwater.
Why?
We've got a few thousand gallons of water at the moment. And ships going over. Don't drop the anchor!
Vauxhall. This is quite long.
Ahead, keep right.
Oh, for crying out loud, you told me to keep left. There's 2 tunnels, it used to be one north, one south.
Yeah.
But because they opened the bridge, it's the bridge is one south. Both tunnels north.
Cool.
Or you can smell the exhaust fumes.
Oh, we're nearly there. Light. There we go, we're out, we're out, we're out. Come on.
Yeah.
No, we're not. Now we are. And the bridge is... Oh yeah, there's a train track. Oh. Train track. Okay, you're dead. That's the train track right there.
County of Essex. That's HS1.
County of Essex. Well, it's 47. 47? 580?
Something like that.
County of Essex? 9. No, that's his number.
We've got to come off this one.
Is this HS1?
Yeah.
Cool.
Going into St Pancras. Third service, that's where we're staying today.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, around here.
Is that a blimp? Oh, that's a blimp tied to the floor. Harvey's. Alfred's. Home bargains. So we've just left Grays, heading towards Sainsbury's, but we just wanted to show you the River Thames.
Which is just that's Kent right over.
Exit.
I'll see if I can get a bit closer.
Right in front.
Oh yeah, looks possible.
Turn around when possible.
This is a dead end.
It is advisable to turn your entire car around. Do not
What, do you want me to go and show 'em it?
inside the car.
Yeah, perhaps I go through.
If I get out, don't run the black dude over.
No, don't do that now.
If you drop me off, I'll go and we'll drive onto the grass. So here's the River Thames. A few minutes ago, we went over this bridge over here. No, we went under that bridge. Yeah, didn't know there was a factory there. There's a barge. Sailing boat. Lots of sailing boats, and that's about it.
You have watched a Javelin production. Like,